Cat Sorter VR because I've always wanted to sort cats in virtual reality. Let's see what this game is all about. Oh, kitty! Good meowing. Change speed of too many kittens to fly at once. Okay, I'm gonna start my shift. Look at his butt! Look at his butthole! Okay, let's take off. How do I get closer? Okay, I have to get closer, but like, my desk is right here. Let's take off the fin. Take off the fin. I did it. Look at his, seriously, my desk is right here. Okay. Worker height. How do I adjust this? Okay, I probably should have read this first. Observe, examine. Good or bad? Fix, return. Can I just pick him up and I can pick up the cat. Okay, all right. Here we go. Here we go, buddy. Let's check you out. Let's take off your little... Oh, I can't take it off. What is happening? Ah, okay. I need to give you a better mouth. Here we go. Oh. It's over. I did so bad. Okay, hold on. I need to adjust this because my desk is here and I can't grab the cat. I think I could probably reach right here without hitting anything. So let's try that. Here we go. Start my shift. Got this. Hey, kitty. You look fine to me, right? Let's examine. Let's pick up the cat. Everything looks great. All right, you can continue down the line, little kitty, and let me grab your little booty. Everything looks fine to you, kitty. You look great. Oh, okay. You do not look okay. Let's take off those wings. Your face looks fine. All right. I could probably speed it up a little bit, but I'm not going to get too crazy. Oh, your ear is wrong. Your ear is wrong. Give me a little brown ear. There we go. All right. Off you go, little kitty. Look at their little buttholes. Okay. You look fine to me. What does that mean? What does that mean? Did it mean I did it wrong, or does your am I just supposed to change the nose to whatever? I don't think it matters. Okay. You're good. I think you're good too. I'm just gonna toss you in there. I think you're okay too, little kitten. What is on your head? What is that? I'm gonna say he's good. What do you got there, little buddy? What is that? An ant? It's like an ant nose. Okay. Give you a regular nose. There you go, kitty. Beautiful cat. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, that's a wrong leg. Let's put this one on. Can I take off your butt? I could take off your butthole. What do I do with it? What do I do with this? Ugh. Okay, kitty's perfect. Ooh, those teeth have got to go. Those teeth have got to go, baby girl. On you go. There you go. Perfect little kitten. Okay, I'm doing a lot better. In you go. Woo! Oh my gosh, you have an afro? I just take it off, right? Or is that a... Ooh, look at the eye. Ugh. It's like a bug eye. Perfect, kitty. And you have an eye for a butthole. Where's the butt? Okay, here's the butts. Gotta put the butt on. In you go. All right, little kitty. You have to get a new leg. Who thought of this game and why? Why is it so entertaining? Okay, I think you're good. Let's speed it up. Speed it up. See if I can do more. I think I can. I'm getting used to it now. You're good. Oh, that's not okay. Let's take that off. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we need a new nose for you. Oh, nose. Oh, let's slow this down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Wait. Coming over here. Hold on. You come over here too, kitty. You need a tail. He needs a tail. And he has a heart butt too. Ah! Okay. I said okay. Okay, all right. New high score. Booyah! Oh, nope, no M. Booyah! Bam! Only my second day on the job. Okay, I'm gonna challenge myself just a little bit here. I'm gonna put the speed up. Too many kittens to fix at once. All right, here we go. Let's try it out. How you doing, kitty? How you doing? You look great. You gotta inspect the kittens. You look great. Oh, no you don't. I need to change your tail. On you go. And gotta take this off. There you go. How do you look, little kitty? You're looking good to me. Alright, let's get rid of your shark fin. Perfect. We're doing great. It's my first day on the job, and I think I'm doing pretty swell. I don't know where these cats are going, though. So I hope they're going to a good place. Let's slow this down. Take off those wings. Take off that eye. Slow it down a little bit. I need to give you a new eye. Perfect. Let's take off your wings. All right, let's speed it up. All right, your wings. Oh, your nose. Let's slow down. You come with me. You're gonna stay right here. I need to give you a nose. There you go. And you, little buddy. How you doing? You got a dinosaur tail. Okay. All right. Oh, this guy. Poor little guy is messed up. Let's give him normal cats and a tail. Oops, I took his butthole off. I took off his butthole. Oh, just throw it back on there. Ears. Are you good? What about you? I think you're okay. Oh, you got a little peg leg. Okay, so let's do the tail and the leg. All right, buddy. All right, we're doing good. Oh my gosh, it's a little heart butt. I love it. Okay, so the butthole and a tail. Oh, and your ear. Your ear is all messed up. There we go. Perfect. Just like new. You look good to me. Whoop. Let's take off your wings and your ears. Okay, so your ear. Ah! Ear. And you go. How about you, little buddy? How you doing? You look good to me. Speed it up a little. We got a minute left. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. I took off his leg. Okay, wait. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Come here. I just, okay. Don't panic. Don't panic. Give me the eye. Give me the eye. Okay, and the nose. There you go. All right, just like new. I gotta fix these guys right here. The tail, the wings. Put this tail on you. Oh, your eye too is messed up, kitty. There we go. Beautiful, just like new. You got some spider eyes there, don't ya? Oh, shoot. Stop moving. Eyes. One eye. One eye. Booyah. Okay. 2 legs for this little fella here. Little chubby thing. Good? I don't forget the ones behind me either. Oh, what is this horse leg? Ah! Okay. Alright, these eyes. Oh, no. No. Sorry. Nope. I said take off your... Stop it. No crying. Alright. This little guy. Take off the party hats. Oh, his eye. His eye. No. Stop moving. Stop moving. Ah! I dropped him. Wait, you guys didn't disappear. You guys didn't disappear. You're still here, huh, buddy? Look at you. My best in show. Let's show them off. They don't disappear. Oh my gosh. I'm keeping these ones. Look at this one's eye and leg. You are just jacked up. Poor little thing. Poor little fella. Can I fix you? I can't fix you any. Oh yeah, I can. Don't hiss at me. Don't hiss at me. I'm fixing you up. Don't act like it hurts. You're just as new. Beautiful, as good as new. Oops. Don't drop it. Oh, I took his leg off. I just want to display him. A little angel kitty. Yes, this is Linky and Navi. Okay, was this my highest score yet? I got 21 perfect cats and 4 defective, 0 dropped. So let's see my high score. Booyah! It's over 9,000. Thank you. Thank you. Well, I'm going to end this episode here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know. Leave a like on the video. And if you guys have any other suggestions for some VR games, leave a comment below because I'm all about that. Took a little break. Now I'm back to see what they have. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. My name is Cupquake. I'll see you all later. Bye.